Okay guys, if you are wondering why trading isn't out, well let me give you a few reasons why. So if you don't know who Lizzie Winkle is, she was actually a really famous, not famous, she was a creator, one of the developers, of Aurora High, and she was 15 3 days ago, or 4 days ago, I can't remember, but she passed away from cancer. So Call Me Bob made this game I will show on my screen. If you go to Roblox and that, well, she made a game just for one of the developers. If you don't know who Lizzie_Winkle is, she is one of Call Me Bob's friends. They were in that. So if you go to games in your catalog, you may see in the loving memory of Lizzie Winkle. She was really young, so let me read it to you. On the Royal Hive page on my screen right here, it says, gosh, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get this on two screens right there. On Friday, an angel flew away her way back to heaven. Our dearest Lizzie_Winkle fought through a hard and strong against cancer for 20 months with a kind and loving smile to everyone she met, and created beautiful wings and other talented creations for all of us to enjoy. She barely turned 15. My life is forever changed for knowing Lizzie and her story. Show love to everyone and around you while they are still here, and please take action against this. Please help fight Liz childhood cancer by donating to your favorite cancer research charity. We are currently supporting St. Jude Research Hospital. If each one of us donated just $1, it would make a great impact. Visit her memorial and leave a great flower of her and her family with her heartfelt message attached. So she made some really nice clothing, and everyone who didn't know her, well, you may be wearing some of her things she created right now. As also, she was really young. So let's go to the game. Oh my god, it's really sad that she died. She was really young in that. So let's read this. Here we honor Lizzie Winkle, who touched numerous lives within the Roblox community with her kind heart and wonderful creation. She was an angel with a positive spirit, and although her wings were adored by many, no one imagined she would fly to heaven so early. Lizzie was also a fighter in every sense of the word, as she battled leukemia for 20 months with strength beyond compare. In the most challenging of times, Lizzie pushed through by believing in the beauty of her dreams and worked hard towards a bright future no matter what life may bring. Remember Lizzie Winkle's legacy, and even though things feel their darkest, your wings can take you anywhere you want to go. Hashtag Fly High Lizzie, October 17, 2004 through November 29, 2019. Please help fight childhood cancer by donating to your favorite cancer research charity. We are currently supporting St. Jude Research Hospital. Every dollar makes a difference. So let me do this. So oh gosh, you can make you can make flowers, you can do a lot in that. Let's read this. Lizzie, you were a huge influence to me. You are such a sweet, kind, bubbly girl. It's a shame you had to become an angel so young, but you'll always be loved. I think that hashtag meant loved. I wish Roblox didn't tag anything out right now because it's really sad. Let's go to Sonic. And that was this one. She said, I hope that you are in a better place and know that a lot of people care about you. Thank you for doing what you have done at Royal High. You can, yeah, we all know we miss Lizzie. She was a really kind, really sweet person. She deserved to live really long, and that she didn't deserve to die. Let's see. Dear, hashtag Royal High, we love, dear, okay, I cannot read that. Okay then. Girl, why don't you say anything? That's kind of rude. No matter how hard times no matter how hard times are, your loved ones are with you. Remember that. Let's read this. Here we honor Lizzie Winkle, touched numerous lives within the Roblox community. With her kind heart and wonderful creation, she was an angel with a positive spirit, and although her wings were adored by many, no one imagined she would fly to heaven so early. Lizzie was also a fighter in every sense of the word, as she battled leukemia for 20 months with strength beyond compare. In the most challenging times, Lizzie pushed through by believing in the beauty of her dreams and worked hard towards a bright future. No matter what life may bring, remember Lizzie Winkle's legacy and how even when things feel their darkest, your words can take you anywhere you want to go. Please consider taking action and help in childhood cancer by donating to your favorite charity online. The Royal High developers are currently supporting St. Jude and research hospitals. Every dollar makes an impact. Let's read another. So if you want to know,